So you have seen that the limits of many algebraic functions can be evaluated by direct substitution. Each of the 6 basic trigonometric functions also possess this desirable quality. Um, so you can just do direct substitution. So let's do some examples. We have here the limit of the tangent of x as x approaches 0. We just replace. Plug in 0 for x, so now we have tangent of 0 degrees. And just to review, I'm going to do the unit circle. So tangent of 0 degrees, so here's 0 degrees right there. The tangent is opposite over adjacent. This is the adjacent, but y would be the opposite, though there's no y, it's just x. So the tangent of 0 is 0. So the limit of the tangent of 0 as x approaches 0 is going to be 0. And same thing, again, let's do the unit circle for b. Now we have the limit of x times cosine of x as x approaches pi. Same thing, we do a direct substitution. So we have pi cosine of pi. And what is cosine of pi? Well, a unit circle. Again, pi is right over here. It is 0, pi over 2. So these are angle measurements in radians. And pi is right over here. So what is the cosine of pi? So in the unit circle, all the radiuses are 1. So we have a minus 1 here. Because cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. So adjacent is x, but it's in the minus side, so it's minus x. And hypotenuse in this case is the same thing. The hypotenuse and the x side overlap each other, so it's going to be minus 1 over 1. Okay, so that's the cosine of x, so minus 1. And then pi is pi. So the answer for this one would be negative pi. Negative pi. Okay, let's do the last one. Now we have the limit of sine square of x. Again, the unit circle. As x approaches 0, so here's 0. As x approaches 0, what is the sine? Again, sine is opposite side over hypotenuse. So opposite side is there's no y, so that would be y. So there's no y, so that'd be 0 over 1, which is 0. And 0 squared equals 0. So it's pretty easy. This is stuff from Algebra 2 or pre-calculus, and we just do a direct substitution. So that's what the limit is.